Hi, this is Pete with Chopper Design. Today I'd like to talk to you about a 1960 Harley Topper that we have for sale for a customer of ours. Some years ago, David Price brought us what has to be considered a basket case 1960 Topper. This is a Harley Davidson motorcycle. I never saw one before he brought it to us. Well, we restored it, and here we are just trying to show you the condition of this motorcycle, or scooter if you will. Beautiful. You might see the plastic on the floorboards. That's how much this gentleman cared for his vehicle. Every nut and bolt is basically perfect on this device. It's 60 plus years old, I guess now. In either case, we just wanted to create this movie to show you how nice it was, as well as to demonstrate its running ability. We're going to give it a quick ride shortly. But look at this. Every thing on it is perfect. It's not just painted nice on the outside. Underneath here, we're going to show you the gas tank and the intake and all that. All painted nice. Every bolt is clean as a whistle. The wiring's perfect. The chrome here, you can see that we had to find the new petcock, which we did. It runs these two things, one for reserve, one for main tank. And here we go. We're going to give it a ride. It took 2 pulls to get it started this time. A little loud maybe, but we wanted you to hear the engine. And I'm just going to take it for a ride. I'm not going to go on the street. It's a pretty busy street. So we'll just run it up and down the sidewalk at about 40 miles an hour. But in either case, we're just going to pull it out of the shop, run it down the street. The brakes work real well. This thing, it feels like a little tiny bicycle in ways. And here we are running. Very shortly you're going to see a malfunction with the GoPro arm. There you go. It fell down, so I had to use the video effects to get it turned around the right way. And we're just good. It's just a short ride. Just give you an idea. Make sure you understand how well the bike rides. This is a very rare vehicle. You can't find them, and you certainly can't find them in this condition anywhere. So if you collect unique Harley Davidson products, this is a great addition. If you just want a great scooter that's only going to go up in value over the years, it's a 2-stroke. It doesn't require any maintenance. Run it once in a while, it'll take care of itself. We have a great video. If you go to youtube.com/chopperdesign, you could find the video of what we did to make this bike what it is today. It was a horrible condition, and we had to make parts and clean parts. We had to make sure we could get it running. There are no parts available for this kind of a vehicle. So in either case, this is up on eBay. He's not going to give it away, certainly, but it should be at a reasonable price considering how much he spent to get it restored to this perfect condition. Here's another picture of it. In either case, you can find it on eBay. If you got questions, you can call us at 407-834-5007. The link to the eBay, my eBay store, is coming up shortly. So have a look. If it's something that intrigues you, you won't find one better. And maybe you'll find a good home in your garage. Thanks for watching.